Enter at your own risk. This fanfiction is drenched in darkness and twisted desires. If your soul isn't ready for the abyss, turn back now. But if you're drawn to the sinister, know this, it's all for wicked fun. No ideals were spared, and no mercy will be shown. Now, prove your allegiance. Like, subscribe, and join the ranks of the damned. I welcome you in the dusk of fiction. Welcome to the realm of darkness.
Yani was working while we could see her thoughts, and she was thinking that I had to work so much at night that I couldn't sleep, and now I'm feeling very sleepy as I'm not able to do work. And then she started cleaning the cabin and sat on the chair for rest, but without realizing, she fell asleep on the table when the door opened and the owner of John Empire came to the cabin, and he thought, why is she sleeping here? Then he went to her and sat on the chair in front of her, and then he starts thinking that the eyes are so beautiful. She looks even more beautiful while sleeping. She will look even more beautiful in my arms. And then he pinches her cheeks, and then his heart started pounding as he checks the office place and gives a soft kiss on her cheeks while caressing her head. But because of the sudden touch, Yani woke up, and after seeing her boss in front of her, she became shocked that she suddenly got up and started doing strange things. And then she said in sign language, because Yani can't speak. So she said, Sorry, forgive me. I slept here, I'm sorry. She got panicked. But JK said, it's okay, don't be panicked, it's alright. But Yani said in sign language that, don't fire me from my job. I will never do anything like this again. But JK coldly said that, there is nothing wrong, so calm down. And Yani bound him again and again and asking for forgiveness. And then suddenly his eyes fell in her cleavage. There were 3 signs of a wound on her cleavage. So JK thought, I don't know why it feels like something wrong is happening to her and she can't tell anyone. Then JK said, go, take some rest and then start working, okay? And Yani said in sign language that, should I bring you coffee? But JK said, wait, I am not getting you. So she took a coffee cup and showed him. And then JK said, coffee? No, not now. You can go. And then Yani left from here. Now in the night, Niall, who is Yani's husband, he said, where is money? Actually, he got drunk. And then in sign language, Yani said that, I don't have any money. Whatever money I have left is for getting food. And then Niall slapped her. And then he said, you have so much courage to answer me? You will not get food tonight now, and you will not eat anything except rice. And then he forcibly took away the money from her hand and pushed her to fall on the ground and then leave with money. There is nothing at home except rice, and he has taken the money to drink alcohol. Yani thought that, my life is already bad. Will my life always be gonna like this? In the middle of this, Niall said, I am leaving after locking the kitchen door. If you eat food at night, I will kill you. And then he kicked the table and left Yani fall asleep without eating anything. The next day, JK was murmuring, and then he's saying, first eating, then doing anything work. This looks so tasty, but where are the chopsticks? So he went to canteen to take chopsticks and saw Yani. Actually, she was sitting in the corner, and then he hid behind the wall and admired her. She opened the lunchbox and ate only rice. He saw some red marks on her neck. So JK thought that, is there nothing else to eat? And then JK went to Yani and said, I accidentally spilled coffee in the office. Please clean it up right now. And Yani said in sign language that, okay sir. And then she closed her lunchbox and left to JK's cabin. He also comes behind her, but she didn't find any coffee on the floor. So JK said, what happened? And Yani said in sign language that, there is no coffee, by showing a coffee cup. And then JK said, Oh, looks like someone else cleaned it. But Yanni in sign language asked, Can I go? But JK coldly said that, What happened to your neck? So she immediately hid it and looking down. And then she said in sign language, Nothing, sir. And then he walked to her and held her hand softly. And JK calmly said, If something wrong is happening to you, then tell me. Then Yanni in tear eyes said, Nothing is wrong with me. Then JK said, Today I have bought a lot of food. Will you eat with me? And Yanni becomes shocked. And in sign language she started saying, No, no. But JK asked that, If you don't eat with me right now, I will fire you from your job. And then Yanni became shocked and held her hands and made her sit on the chair and serve her. And then JK said, Eat now. Yanni started eating and felt as if she was in heaven. Now after eating such a tasty food, she took more food without even asking. And by seeing this, JK's heart started aching. But he also knows that he can't do anything because she's a married person. Now at night, JK was drinking. And then he said to his friend Jimin that after a week we will go on a trip. And then Jimin said, Okay, as you wish, but don't cancel it, okay? And then JK said, Yeah. And we could see Niall. And then we could see Niall is sitting right there in the same bar in which JK and Jimin was enjoying. And then Niall suddenly said, How dare you to touch me? Manager said that you have already spent all the money now. Go from here. Yanni was also beside him and she was saying, Please, let's go. But he jerked her hands. And then Niall said in drunken that this is my club and I have purchased the club. But the manager said, Ma'am, take your husband from here, please. And then Yanni pulling him, but he pushed her hard. Niall said, You mute slutter! Don't dare you to touch me! And then manager and the other staff kicked him out from there. And Yanni is now taking him to the taxi, but he was pushing and hitting Yanni. Then JK came and asked, What's going on here? And manager said, He is a drug addict. He has come here to drink alcohol. Now he doesn't have money. That's why we kicked him out of here. He troubles his wife a lot. I'm so sorry for her. And then JK's eyes fall on the man. The man was grabbing hair of the girl and he was saying, I told you to stay away. But she is talking in sign language, in teary eyes. Now the man said, and the man again said, This irritating sign language, you bloody mute slutter. Just go away. And then he pushed her and left from there. JK's heart got ached and he was about to left from there too. But when he saw the woman's face, his world got stopped. She stood up with teary eyes and she removed the dust from her clothes. Her eyes met with Jungkook, who was standing with shaking hands, and Yanni's world also stopped there and she became embarrassed. While covering her face, she ran away. The next day, when Yanni was cleaning the corridor and JK held her hand suddenly and dragged her to the cabin, she got shocked. So he locked the cabin and JK coldly asked, Can you explain to me about last night? Then Yanni in sign language said, This is my personal matter, sir. And then JK said, Oh yes, you're right. Someone is beating you. You are being insulted, but this is your personal matter. Why am I even asking you when you have no self-respect? Be happy. One day you will die in this world and no one will ever come to ask about you. And then he dragged her outside of the cabin and her tears starts following. She clenched his shirt. He stopped looking at her. And then he lifted her in bridal style and took her to the couch. He made her sit on the sofa and sat next to her very close. And he held her shoulder and said, Have you been mute since childhood? Yanni said, No. JK's soul left his body. And then he asked, Can you talk? She's barely whispering. And then Yanni said, yes. Then JK said, how did this happen? Why can't you talk? Yanni's got flowing tears from her eyes. And then she said, in an argument, he hit me. And a knife pierced my throat during this. And I lost the ability to talk. She was sniffing. And he placed a soft kiss on her lips. Her heart pounding. So she held his collar. And then JK said, why are you so staying with that such a brutal man? Then Yanni said by looking down in sign language that I am an orphan. He fell in love with me and married me. I thought my life would improve, but everything go wrong after my marriage. He used to beat me a lot under the influence of alcohol. And by hearing this, JK's eyes widened in horror as he learned of Yanni's suffering. His heart shattered into a million pieces, feeling helpless and enraged. He couldn't bear the thought of Yanni enduring abuse, her bright spirit crushed. He felt broken, his trust in humanity fractured, his mind reeling with anguish and despair. After some time, we can see Yanni in another place, and Yanni got shocked, and she asked in sign language again, is this your house? Then JK chuckles and said, yes. Yanni said, are you live here alone? Then JK said by whispering, no, from now you will also live with me. And then he lifted her his arms and made her lay down on the bed, took a first aid box and removed her upper. His eyes turned soft after seeing many marks on her back, and some of them are still fresh. So he applied small kisses on her bare back, and Yanni clenched the pillow when he was applying medicine. JK asked, after this fall asleep, don't go anywhere. Then Yanni said, but what about Niall? JK's fingers got intertwined with Yanni's, and then he placed kisses on her side cheeks. Yanni's cheeks got flushed. Her heart started racing, and their hands touching in a way that was both intimate and sensual. JK said, forget that you have any husband. In the night, we could see that Yanni was sleeping on JK's bare chest. He was wrapping his arm around her, and then a sudden call came, and on call, JK was whispering that, I have some work with you, only you can do this. Actually, that was Jimin. And Jimin asked, tell me. JK said, I want to get someone murdered. And by hearing this, Jimin's phone dropped, and Jimin said, are you out of your mind? And with this, guys, today's video ends here. Hope you like it, and please be wait for part 2. It will gonna be uploaded soon. And please just don't forget to